Gobo. To stop those hiccups, this is what you do. Stand on your hind legs, then shout cock-a-doodle-doo at the top of your voice. The hiccups will be gone.
Oh, that just sounds really, really silly.
Go on, Gobo. It might work.
Gobo takes a deep breath, then stands on his hind legs.
Here we go. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Oh, not as good as me, but not bad.
Everyone's waiting. Have Gobo's hiccups stopped?
See? Told you it would. Go!
Oh, no. Oh, they haven't stopped. I'm going to have hiccups forever and ever. Oh.
Calm down, calm down. Let's go and ask someone else for advice.
Yes, someone really, really clever.
So the farmyard bunch go to see Mac the horse. He's pretty clever.
There's only one sure way to stop Gobo's hiccups.
What's that, Mac?
You need to give him a big surprise. Really make Gobo jump, and then his hiccups will stop.
Wow, great idea.
Yes, thanks, Mac.
How are we going to give Gobo a surprise?
I think I have a plan. Okay, this is my plan. We hide and wait for Gobo to walk past. When he does, I'll turn on the tap and he'll get sprayed with the water from the hose.
That'll certainly give him a surprise.
Oh, dear, oh, dear.
Gobo's coming.
Right, nice and quiet, everyone. Ready for your surprise, Gobo?
Ready.
Okay, now!
Ah! Oh.
Did that work, Gobo? Did that surprise you?
Well, it certainly soaked me.
But have your hiccups stopped?
Oh. Actually, I think they... Oh.
Oh, no. Why didn't the surprise work?
You know, I think the problem is you're expecting to be surprised, Gobo.
Yes, it's hard to surprise someone if they know the surprise is coming.
Oh, this is terrible. I'm never going to get rid of these... Ah!
Whoa! What was that? It was the farmer's tractor that made that loud bang.
Tractors do that sometimes. It's all to do with the engine.
It certainly gave me a real surprise.
Me too.
Me 3.
And me.
Gobo, you stopped hiccuping.
You're right, Petal. Oh, my hiccups have stopped. Ha, ha, ha! My hiccups have stopped.
It must have been that bang made by the tractor. It gave you a real surprise, and that stopped your hiccups.
Wait a second. Who's that?
Digger, now you've got hiccups.
The surprise of the tractor making that bang must have made Digger start hiccuping.